So let's show you another way how you can find duplicate things. I've repasted this in, so I've got the whole Annalee Parks again. I don't know where to locate find duplicates, so I'm just going to type this in, find duplicates. And I'll click on find duplicates, and you'll see there that all the columns are selected. Let's unselect all because I want to find them according to shape area. And I'll go OK. And it has now removed all the duplicate errors, so it automatically does it for you. If I don't want to accept the computer's calculations, though you'll see that there's no duplications there in size anymore, you can go back again. And what you can do is you can see just there, for example, you can also do by conditional formatting as well, but we'll just do this first. And I've looked at there and I can see, for example, that in Annalee, there's quite a few that look exactly the same size. So there's those ones, we'll just highlight them. So those are the ones we want to go back and look at. And you might want to do this for a couple just to double check that what the computer does is correct, because computers have a good way of, remember, garbage in, garbage out, and there's 3 of them there that are the same. So we'll just go save. What we'll do is we'll go skip to ArcGIS. So I'm going to open up ArcGIS. I'm going to put the SA2 boundaries. I'm going to open the attribute table. I'm going to look at Annalee, and I'm going to zoom into Annalee. So let's just go zoom into Annalee. There we have there. I'll make it highlighted. I'm going to pop on my parks thing there. I'll untick those. And I'm going to put the all recreation merge. And you can see that in Annalee, I might do a selection by location. So select by location. So I've highlighted Annalee, and I want to select by location, select from there. That, where was I? In the SA2 boundaries that are within the source layer, and I want to use the selected features. So let's just go OK. So we have now selected the parks that are within the source layer. So let's open up the attribute table, and we'll just click on the ones that are selected. And remember, we had a few that were duplicates, and let's look at them. We'll go back into Excel. Let's go back into Excel, and we might find Hefferan Park, because it looks like Hefferan Park is a duplicate. So what we're going to do is go back into Hefferan Park. Let's see if we can find it. There's Hefferan Park. You see, I've clicked it again, and whilst it is selected, it now comes up in yellow. And then I go to the yellow one, and that is Hefferan Park. And then what I do is open up my layer. Now it's going to come up with something else, but I don't want the topmost layer. I'm going to go right the way into All Recreation Merge. I'm going to tick it again, and you'll see it's Hefferan Park. It's 1501. It's identified 2 features, and that's really important. So I can tell just by looking at that there are 2 Hefferan Parks, and I can quite easily go ahead and delete those. Close that. Deselect all those. I don't know, zoom out to the layer and save. So I'm going to go back into my Excel. You don't have to do this, but it's a really good idea to go backwards and forwards between the different programs to see that what you have is really a mistake. And we can probably go back into just go. There we go. We'll go to duplicates. If you spell it correctly, works better. Hang on, find duplicates. We need to do that way. There we go. Double click on that. We will go. It always wants you to expand it. We don't want duplicates on anything. We just want duplicates on shape area. And then it has deleted the duplicates. And then you can go and do the same thing as I did before. Just go into Home, Sum. And we might just reduce the decimal places so we can see what was going on. I don't know if you can remember what I did previously, but it was the same number. And then go Save.